Hello guys, welcome to Kevalisis TV. Today on Kevalisis TV, we'll be showing you guys how to manage two WhatsApp accounts on one device. Okay, this is my initial account I had, my initial WhatsApp account. See it here. So now we'll be managing another account on the same device. So for that, to do that, you have to download an app, and the name of the app is Dualspace. You can get it on your Google Play Store. As you can see here, I've downloaded it already, or should I say installed it already. So we should open it. This is the one I recommend. Then you turn on permission, because here we're cloning the app indirectly. Okay, then either you press the plus button here and look for WhatsApp and then clone it. But here, since WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Snapchat and other apps that are hot apps, that's depending on the one you have on your device. So now, since we're talking about WhatsApp, we should click on WhatsApp so to clone the app for you, and it has finished cloning it and it's now opening it. So we should wait till it opens. But if it doesn't open, we can go back here. Okay, it has opened. So let's open it now, and then you see it. See, we have it. That's different. That's the new WhatsApp here. So you can now log in your second account. If you have a second WhatsApp account, log it in here and you are good to go. So now, to put it on your home screen, you just long press the WhatsApp and then drag it to create shortcut. Then either you manually paste it on your home screen or you add automatically. So it has been added automatically. So see it here. So we now have two WhatsApp accounts on one device. So the initial one I showed you earlier, and this is the second one we just created now. So you can now log in your account and do whatever you want with it. Thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you like this video, you can just give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video to other people. It might be helpful to them. And also, if you have any question concerning this video, you can ask it in the comment box below. So thank you for watching this video once again, and bye bye.